The clicking ball pen is a seemingly uncomplicated instrument that we can easily take for granted, but let us stop for a while and see how it works, because there might just be more than what meets the eye. Now attached to the body is a clicking mechanism at the top and a ball mechanism at the bottom. Let us first take a look at the clicking mechanism at the top. This mechanism is responsible for protruding the pen in order to allow for writing and retracting it in order to allow it to be stored when it is not in use. It does so by using a cam. A cam is a mechanical component that converts rotating motion into linear reciprocating motion. A cam has a variable circumference, meaning that the outer edge of this cylinder is different at different points. If we attach a cam follower to the cam, this cam follower will move up and down as the outer edge of the cam changes. When you start clicking your pen, you cause the plunger to slide up and down in reaction to the force from your thumb. This plunger has its movement restricted to the vertical direction by vertical guides. These vertical guides are often molded to the side and are part of the body or case of the pen. The cam has part of its motion restricted to the vertical direction by these guides. However, because the plunger is at an angle, it exerts a force on the cam in both the vertical and horizontal directions, but the guides force it to only move vertically. Once the cam has cleared the guides, it begins to rotate and is locked into a lower position, which allows you to write. This is the writing position. The cam is caused to clear the guides and rotate once more in order to retract the pen, and the cam then goes into the space between the guides. Let us have a look at the bottom part now. That is the part that does the writing. Basically, here you will find that there is a spring that pushes the cam up and down in reaction to the plunger. Then you have the tip of the pen, in which you have a small ball bearing and a tube full of ink. The area at which the ball is in contact with the ink gets coated with ink and pushes against the ball. If you start to write, as the pen moves, the ball is rotated. Here it is shown rotating to the left and forward and in all directions as you write. Okay, so basically that's what we have involved here. The plunger at the top will also have a spring that causes it to be able to click back into position, but that was not shown here so as to keep things simple. Okay, thank you and take care.